Welcome to a world of radiant shimmer and captivating glamour, the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial. In this comprehensive guide, we're immersing ourselves in the art of creating a dazzling and enchanting makeup look that's perfect for those special moments when you want to shine and make a statement. Whether you're an enthusiast of all things sparkly or someone seeking to embrace their inner diva, this video is your ultimate companion on the journey to mastering the exquisite art of glitter and glam makeup. The Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial is a celebration of makeup as a tool for transformation and self-expression. It's a journey through techniques and product choices that empower you to craft a radiant and mesmerizing makeup look that's bound to turn heads. Within this guide, we'll uncover the secrets behind creating a flawless canvas, applying glitter with finesse, and strategically placing shimmer to achieve a glamorous and captivating effect. At the heart of this tutorial lies the art of infusing shimmer and shine with elegance. We'll delve into the realm of glitter, exploring how to select the perfect shades and sizes to suit your style and occasion. By mastering techniques such as adhesive application, seamless blending, and strategic contouring, we'll guide you in creating a look that's not only dazzling but also harmoniously balanced. Techniques take center stage in the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial. We'll lead you through a step-by-step journey of application mastery. With precision and expertise, we'll unveil the power of layering, gradient blending, and precise placement that combine to create a captivating and show-stopping appearance. Whether you're aiming for a subtle glimmer or an all-out glamorous entrance, each technique equips you with the skills to transform your makeup into a radiant masterpiece. Yet, this tutorial transcends the confines of mere makeup application. It's about embracing your confidence and channeling your inner star. We encourage you to tailor the glitter and glam style to reflect your personality, allowing your radiance to shine effortlessly. Ultimately, the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial empowers you to view makeup as an art form, a means of celebrating your unique beauty, and an avenue for expressing your inner diva. It's a reminder that makeup is not just about enhancing your features, it's about embracing your individuality and commanding attention with your bold and dazzling look. Equipped with the knowledge of glitter and glam makeup techniques and the inspiration of makeup artistry, let's embark on this journey of mastering the art of sparkle and allure. By the tutorial's conclusion, you'll not only have refined the skills to create a mesmerizing glitter and glam look but also gained a profound understanding of how makeup can empower you to radiate confidence and make a memorable impact. With gratitude for joining us on this exploration of glitter and glam makeup artistry, let's seamlessly transition into the world of the Glitter and Glam Makeup Tutorial. A world where technique blends seamlessly with your inner radiance to create a look that's as captivating as it is uniquely you.